Let's face it, you've been living in your house for 2 years now. You've been working from home, probably homeschooling, playing from home, and all of a sudden you look around one day and you're like, I need to update my home. Where do you start? So today, let's talk about the 2022 home trends of the year. Hi, I'm Carrie Palmore. I'm with the Palmore Group in Newburgh, Oregon, and today we're going to talk about the 2022 design trends that we're seeing. So as you look around your house, where do you start? I think the easiest place to start is going to be with paint color, because you can change so much just by changing your paint color. And if you Google the paint color of the year, Sherwin-Williams paint color of the year is called Evergreen Fog. It's kind of a grayish green color, very calm, spa-like, neutral color that goes with so much. So start there. They've got great paint products out there. And speaking of that, one of the new trends that we're seeing is painted cabinets in the kitchen. It's a great way to change, the overall look of your kitchen, relatively easy as well. And what's really cool is there's some awesome paint products out there now. So Sherwin-Williams has a latex paint, meaning it cleans up with water, but it has a shellac type finish. So you can easily wipe it down. It has a harder finish to the cabinet, and it makes it really easy to change the entire look. And so what we're seeing now are warm neutrals in our painted cabinets, things like smoke and mega grayish and just the warmer wood tones that kind of go with all that neutral look that we're looking for. And then unique accent colors. So think about things like colorful backsplashes in the kitchen, or perhaps statement tiles in your bathrooms or your laundry rooms. And what's fun about this is they're easy to change out, and they make such an impact. I mean, like, pow, you walk in and it's like, oh my gosh, that looks amazing. So you might think, well, gosh, that's a fad, and what happens if it changes in a few years? The easy thing is usually your bathroom spaces, your laundry rooms are relatively small rooms, so they're easy to change out. We recently did a master bedroom and bath remodel, and we put statement tiles in there, and it is such an impact in this room, and very little tile space, but wow, such a pop of color and patterns and stuff. So think about that. In flooring, what we're seeing now is the lighter color woods. So think Scandinavian, light, bleached-looking wood tones. You can get this in a laminated flooring. You can get it in a luxury vinyl. And before you go, ew, vinyl? I'm here to tell you that the vinyls that they have now, you can't tell they're vinyl. You walk in and you can sit down and touch the floor and you can't tell. And it's really indestructible. So if you've got pets that are racing around, like my dog racing around, they're not going to scratch it up. It's virtually indestructible. Most cases, it's impervious to water. And so it's a great way to go. Next, what we're seeing are spa-like bathrooms. So think full tile showers, glass doors, freestanding tubs. Anything that gives the bathroom a spa-like feel or a luxury feel, that is really coming into style this year. And then, of course, with all of how much we're at home, flex spaces, right? Where we can learn and work and play at home and do our hobbies and things like that. Maybe you change an extra bedroom into an office or a playroom or a game room. So we're really seeing some of that flex space and not having to have, 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms, but functionals for these other rooms. And then, so think about some of these design trends. Of course, it's always easy to look and see what's out there. You can go out on Pinterest and Houzz and things like that. Or reach out to your favorite real estate agent. We can talk to you about what we're seeing in current home trends today. So if you like what you hear, follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. We try and put one out every week. And if you're looking for real estate in Yamhill or Washington County, check out the Palmore Group. We're here for you. And even if you're looking in areas outside of these, we have a great network of agents where we can put you in touch with other trusted advisors who will take great care of you. So there you have it. There's the home design trends for 2022.